everyone, my name is Heba and welcome back. I have another beauty advent calendar to unbox for you guys, and this time it's by L'Occitane. Look at that packaging. When my husband saw this, he did say that it looked like a game, and I can see that. It does look like Monopoly, the game of life. I mean, even the sides look like, it's a game. Let's see what the back says. Gives the ingredients, which, kind of gives us the instructions of a game. So that's a different packaging here for an advent calendar. I love doing advent calendar unboxings, and as you can see, I've done several. They're behind me. This one's Rituals. We have Bon Maman and The White Company. And after this, I'll be adding L'Occitane behind me there. I do have one more advent calendar coming, and I was able to order the Cult Beauty advent calendar. Since the Cult Beauty one is coming out of the UK, that one will take, probably 7 to 10, 14 days. But who knows, maybe it might get here sooner. But for now, let's concentrate on the one by L'Occitane. I've been getting the L'Occitane advent calendar now, I think this is my third year of getting it. The first time I got it, it's full of small samples, travel size, deluxe sample sizes, things that you can get with gift with purchase. But I have to say, I do like the L'Occitane products, and they are sample sizes so you can try it, because if you bought the full size and you didn't like it, you just wasted the full size. Here you're getting the travel deluxe sizes, very small, I have to admit. But if you find something you like, always wait for a sale and get the full size. Because the first time I got this calendar, I tried the overnight reset serum. Love that. That reset serum just makes my skin, whenever I wake up in the morning, just so clean, so bright, so smooth as it can be. And if I didn't get that calendar, I would not have tried that serum, and my skin would have been missing out. Really do love that overnight serum. I don't think there's anything new in this year's box. It's kind of like a repeat, maybe different scents will be changed, but I don't know. We'll wait and see when we open this up. But I'll still use most of the products that are in this calendar by L'Occitane, because I love the almond shower oil, the shower gel, the almond shampoo and conditioner. Love the verbena scent. Love the hand creams that are in here. But yeah, I really do like the L'Occitane products. Now this advent calendar cost $80, and there are 24 days in here, so you get 24 products, and the value here is $115. So not that much of a value. Again, these are small, deluxe sample sizes, travel sizes products in here. But I am seeing that Sephora carries this calendar, and Sephora will be having their sale, so maybe that might be a good time to get this calendar if you can get that discount. And if you always wanted to try L'Occitane products. Now L'Occitane also has another advent calendar. It's the premium, and that one has a little bit more, deluxe sample sizes, deluxe sizes. And that one costs $140 with 24 days, 24 products, and that one has a value of $240. So you're getting a little bit more of a value with that one. I don't see that Sephora is carrying the premium, but I opted to get the less expensive advent calendar because I think some of the products are similar, and I just didn't want to pay that much. So again, let me go ahead and show you the cover of this advent calendar. Looks like a very contemporary winter scene, like a science experiment right there. Trees and stars, kind of looks like fireworks. But on the top it says Atelier des Saisons. I believe that's how you say it. Underneath it, it says the Seasons Workshop. So I'm assuming that's what it means. Okay, let's see how we can open this thing here. So you open it like that. Be careful not to rip it, like I did. So we have a flap here, and this is what the inside looks like. And we have Christmas trees, I guess, that you just put out and stick the tab here to kind of keep it up. I'm looking at the design here, and it looks like the different seasons. The Seasons Workshop. So I believe this is spring, and you have summer, and on the bottom looks like you have fall and winter. And down here are the doors that you open up, and the products are inside. So that's really cute. I hope you can see that there. Really cute. But I'll be putting the calendar in front of me so it'll be easier to open up, because I don't know how else you can stand this up. And you just pull it down. The products are inside nice and secure, and I already see what's in here, and I can tell you I already like it. So on day one, we have the almond shower oil in a small little travel size bottle. Yeah, 35 mils, 1.1 ounce in here, which is perfect if you want to travel. You could put this in a little Ziploc bag for the TSA security check, and this is small enough that you may finish it while you're on vacation, and you don't have to worry about bringing it back. That's my way of thinking whenever I travel, because that way I can have souvenirs instead. It's okay, we're off to a great start. For day two, another favorite product of mine, and in a very small tube. This is the Immortelle Precious Cream. And I do have the overnight mask in this line, in the Immortelle Precious line. So again, this is very small sample size, 5 mils of product. Kind of ripped day 3, but I think that's okay. And in that, we have the cooling hand cream gel in the verbena scent. Very small sample size again, travel size. And this one is 10 mils of product. Let me smell this. Oh, that does smell good. I love that citrusy scent from the verbena line. I do like a calendar with drawers though. They make it very hard and they rip very easy. All right, we have something in the almond line again, and this one is the shampoo. Love this one. And I love that I'm getting the shampoo in the travel size. Again, this is 35 mils, the same size as the oil. So for day 5, I think we're getting the conditioner. Let me make sure. Yes, the almond scent in the conditioner, again in the same size. And they smell so good. Actually, I think I used it this morning. Yeah. I used the almond shampoo and the conditioner this morning, of course the almond shower oil, so my whole body could smell like almond. Oh yeah, that smells so good. Day 6, we have a box of some sort. Okay, a very thin box. And this is what I would call a filler product, because what's in here is a wooden comb, which, I mean, at least it's not made out of plastic, I guess you could say, but yeah, I don't think I'll be using this wooden comb. At least have L'Occitane engraved on it. Who knows? Maybe my husband might use this one. For day 7, we have the verbena shower oil. And again, it has that nice, fresh, citrusy scent. Kind of like a springy scent. And this is 30 mils of product, which is 1 fluid ounce in here. For day 8, yes, we got the body lotion in the verbena scent. Again, 1 fluid ounce in here. And the L'Occitane body lotions, of course, if you know L'Occitane, you know that the body lotion just feels so light and airy and absorbs very nicely into the skin. For day 9, we have a very small tube of the ultra rich lip balm. Okay, and yes, it does have that little slat there for the lips. Now I don't think I've tried their lip balm. I could be wrong, but I don't think I've tried their lip balms yet. Day 10 did take me a long time to open it, but it looks like we have a hand cream. Oh no, I take that back. It's the dry skin foot cream. This one does have 15% shea butter to give you that extra moisturizing boost there, especially for the feet. Our feet does get dry in the wintertime, so this would be nice to have handy. Smells so good too. For day 11, we have this cute little tin compact here. And I remember this from last year. It's the Cosmetic Balm, 100% natural, and you do get 0.21 ounce in here. And I believe that you could use this on your face, on your hands, on your feet. So that's what the balm looks like. No scent to it, but I do like the packaging. It's very cute. Day 12, we have a bar of soap, and it looks to be in the verbena line. Let me just look at it and see. Yes, the verbena soap with verbena leaves. Okay, so it's kind of like an exfoliation soap in here too. I don't know if you can see that. I think it's a shape of a leaf. And I do use soap to shave my legs. So I do have a bar of soap now with the shower gel and body cream. That was day 12. Let's go for day 13. Where are you? For day 13, we have the Cherry Blossoms hand cream. Now I have to admit, Cherry Blossoms is not my favorite scent. I don't know, there's just something about the cherry smells. I love to eat cherries. But as a hand cream, body lotion, not my favorite scent. So this one will be a nice gift to give. Again, it's the very small size. We have to keep that in mind. 10 mils of product in here. Day 14, it looks like we have another shampoo, and yes, it is shampoo. It's called the shampooing shampoo. So with this shampoo, we do get 5 essential oils in here to really cleanse out the hair and the scalp. Again, this is 35 mils of product, which is 1.1 fluid ounce. So that was day 14. What do you think is going to be in day 15? Yeah, you're right. It's the conditioner. And what do they call this one? A pre-shampooing conditioner. And this also contains the 5 essential oils in here. Let me let you know what the essential oils here. I'm trying to read the bottles, very small. So this has 100% natural essential oils of angelica, ylang ylang, sweet orange, lavender, and gosh, I can't read that one. Geranium? Yes, geranium. That'll leave your hair radiant and shiny. So I'm assuming that the shampoo will also have the same essential oils in here. For day 16, we have another hand cream, and this time it's in the rose scent. Oh, this one does smell very nice. Very soft. Again, this is 10 mils of product. I always have it upside down with the label. I would want to do it this way, but they have it written on it this way. For day 17, it looks like we have another shower gel, and this one is the citrus verbena shower gel. I didn't know that there was a citrus one. I just know of the regular verbena shower gel. Let me read about this one. Discover the refreshing verbena extract from Provence, purifying lemon essential oil, and grapefruit extract from Italy. It smells a little fresher than the regular verbena shower gel. Yeah, this one smells very nice. I'm excited to try this one because I do like the verbena scent, and I just love citrusy scents in general. So we got the shower gel for 17. So for day 18, we get the body lotion. Oh, actually, it's the body milk. Oh, that's even better. Yeah, this one smells very clean. I like that. We'll try that and see. Maybe it might take place of the regular verbena scent for me. Day 18. Day 19, we have another bar of soap. And this is the Milk Extra Gentle Soap. Oh, that smells good too. So we got 2 bars of soap already in this calendar. And for day 20, we have my favorite product here, my favorite skincare. And this is the Immortelle Overnight Reset Serum. And this is the sample that I tried the first time I got the advent calendar. And when I woke up in the morning, you know, you put this at night. When I woke up in the morning, my skin looked really good. The pores shrunk, it was brighter, it was cleaner. I put this one on every other night. The other nights I used the one by Sarah Chapman. Love that serum too, the night facial. But let me let you know about this overnight reset oil in serum. Okay, this unique oil in serum contains 3,000 golden bubbles that preserve the powerful Immortelle essential oil. So I believe the Immortelle is the flower, and that flower is known for its anti-aging properties. The bubbles melt into your skin, leaving a non-greasy, lightweight feel, and it does. And you apply this at night, and your skin is renewed in the morning. Love this one. And this will be great to travel with because I don't want to take my big jar because it's kind of heavy. It's in a glass jar, but I'm glad there's another one in here. I wish it was a little bit bigger, just a little bit bigger. 5 mils of product in here, only 5 mils of product. I wish it was 10. Give us 10. But this is a nice serum for your skin. Really do love this. For day 21, we have the Light Comforting Cream, which has 5% shea in here. And it's another small bottle. Yeah, I know. Another one that's 5 mils of product in here. Now, I don't think I've tried this one before. But again, it's nice to try. And if you do like the sample size, you can always get the full size. If you didn't like it, just throw it away. Put it in the recycling bin. For day 22, looks like another hand cream. And this one's the dry skin hand cream. And this one contains 20% shea butter. So this one will really give you that extra moisture. Again, 10 mils of product in here. 23. Looks like we have another bar of soap. Yeah, it is a body soap and it's the almond scent. And it does look to be a little bit bigger than the other 2 that we got. So in this calendar, we do have 3 soaps. Which for me, I don't mind because we use soap. My husband uses soap. I use soap to shave my legs, and this will be great to go with the other almond scents. The shampoo, the conditioner, the shower oil, and the body cream. So now I have the soap. So for day 24, the last day, Christmas Eve, we do get a full-size product in here, and this is the hand cream in the almond scent. Let me make sure. I need my magnifying glass. Yes, the hand and nail care. The delicious hands with almond from Provence. So we do have a full size in the almond scent and the hand cream. And here is what it looks like. I have to admit, this one was a hard one to open. It really was. And I hope I got everything in here. But I do like the design of it with the 4 seasons in here. Very nice. And I know that the products in here are small. I do know that the products in here are small, but if you can get this on sale, I think it'd be a great gift for yourself, for someone that you know and love. You could even group things together, give them as a gift, like say for the hand creams, you could put them together like in a little, what is it, a little cellophane bag. Yeah, attach a little ribbon and you have a gift. Or the bars of soaps in there too. But I know the one thing I'm not giving away is this one, the Reset Oil in Serum, because I'll be taking that one when we travel. Well, alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of the L'Occitane Advent Calendar for 2022. And I'm real happy with the products that are in here. There are a couple things in here that are not my favorite, like the cherry blossoms and the comb. But everything else I'm really happy with. Well, alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. And if you liked and enjoyed it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you can see more videos like this. And you all have a wonderful, wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.